Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn GK with Ashni. So let's get started with the questions. In this video, I am covering current affairs for 13 to 19 September 2020. Question 1. PM Modi inaugurated Kosi Rail Mega Bridge at which state? A. Odisha, B. Maharashtra, C. Madhya Pradesh or D. Bihar? So the answer is D. Bihar. Question 2. Which government has announced subsidy scheme for electric two-wheelers and e-rickshaw recently? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar or D. Himachal Pradesh? And right answer is B. Gujarat. Question 3. Who is the CEO of FSSAI, which recently formed 7-member task force for framing vegan food guideline? A. Arun Singhal, B. Randeep Guleria, C. Balram Bhargav or D. Harshad Thakur? And the correct answer is A. Arun Singhal. Question 4. Which city ranked top in the second edition of Smart City Index 2020 released by IMD? A. Zurich, B. Berlin, C. Singapore, D. Hyderabad? And correct answer is C. Singapore. Question 5. Only Indian to be honored with the prestigious 2020 Asia Game Changer Award. A. Gaurav Gupta, B. Karan Jain, C. Atul Singh, D. Vikas Khurana? And the correct answer is D. Vikas Khurana. Question 6. World Water Monitoring Day celebrated every year on A. 18 September, B. 19 September, C. 17 September or D. 16 September? And the correct answer is A. 18 September. Next question. Author of recently released Azadi Freedom Fascism fiction book? A. Shashi Tharoor, B. Chetan Bhagat, C. Arundhati Roy, D. Salman Rushdie? And the right answer is C. Arundhati Roy. Question 8. As per CARE Ratings, projected GDP growth for India in the fiscal 2020-21. A. -7 to 7.5%, B. -9 to 9.6%, C. -10 to 10.7% or D. -8 to 8.2%? And the correct answer is D. -8 to 8.2%. Next question. CARE Ratings has projected the GVA growth for India for financial year 21 -7.7%. GVA stands for A. Gross Value Adjustment, B. Gross Value Advance, C. Gross Value Added or D. Gross Value Asset? And the right answer is C. Gross Value Added. Question 10. Who won the men's singles title at the US Open? A. Alexander, B. Dominic, C. Rafael, D. Roger? And the right answer is B. Dominic. Next question. Which state will constitute a special security force that will be allowed to conduct searches and arrests without a warrant? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. West Bengal, C. Maharashtra or D. Madhya Pradesh? So the answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Question 12. The centre has sought Parliament's approval to infuse how much capital into public sector banks? A. 20,000 crore, B. 40,000 crore, C. 30,000 crore, or D. 10,000 crore? And the correct answer is A. 20,000 crore. Next question. When is Hindi Divas observed? A. September 13, B. September 14, C. September 15, or D. September 16? And the right answer is B. September 14. Next question. Which nation has become the fourth Arab nation to make a peace deal with Israel? A. Kuwait, B. Qatar, C. Bahrain, D. Oman? And the right answer is C. Bahrain. Question 15. Which nation has broken ranks with China to form a new Indo-Pacific strategy? A. France, B. Australia, C. Germany, or D. United Kingdom? And the correct answer is C. Germany. Next question. Who has been elected as Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman? A. Manoj Kumar, B. Anand Sharma, C. Harivansh Narayan, D. Ghulam Nabi Azad? And the right answer is C. Harivansh Narayan. Question 17. Scientists have detected potential signs of extraterrestrial life on which planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, or D. Saturn? And the right answer is A. Venus. Question 18. The Union government has banned the export of which vegetable recently? A. Tomato, B. Potato, C. Cabbage, or D. Onion? And the right answer is D. Onion. Next question. Which nation has joined the Jeddah Amendment as observer? A. Australia, B. Pakistan, C. Sri Lanka, or D. India? And the right answer is D. India. Question 20. UN has sanctioned a Chinese entity for seizing land for construction of Dara Sakar development project in A. Vietnam, B. Indonesia, C. Cambodia, or D. Philippines? So the correct answer is C. Cambodia. Question 21. Indian Army is ready with which gun for operations in Ladakh amid tensions with China? A. Howitzer, B. Bofors, C. Akash, or D. Tungsa? And the right answer is B. Bofors. Next question. Which construction company has won the bid for the construction of India's new parliament building? A. Reliance Infrastructure, B. GMR, C. Tata Group, or D. Larsen and Toubro? And the right answer is C. Tata Group. Next question. India was ranked at which position on the World Bank's annual Human Capital Index? A. 77th, B. 110th, C. 116th, or D. 85th? And the correct answer is C. 116th. Next question. India's first exclusive private jet terminal has been inaugurated at which airport? A. Indira Gandhi International Airport, B. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, C. Kempegowda International Airport, or D. Cochin International Airport? And the right answer is A. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Question 25. Which app has been removed from Google Play Store? A. Paytm, B. Google Play, C. Bheem, or D. PayU? And the correct answer is A. Paytm. Question 26. Which state has decided to give cows to families with malnourished children? A. Haryana, B. Jharkhand, C. Bihar or D. Uttar Pradesh? And the right answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Pakistan has decided to elevate the status of which region to a full-fledged province? A. Mirpur, B. Poonch, C. Muzaffarabad, D. Gilgit-Baltistan. And the right answer is D. Gilgit-Baltistan. Question 28. Which Union Cabinet Minister resigned from the ministry in protest against Centre's alleged anti-farmer bills? A. Smriti, B. Thawar, C. Harshmirat or D. Giriraj? And the right answer is C. Harshmirat. Last question. The Centre has permitted how much foreign direct investment in defense production through automatic route? A. 68%, B. 72%, C. 74% or D. 78%? And the right answer is C. 74%. Thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe my channel.